0 to pi. Evaluated from 0 to pi, work is equivalent to cosine 4 pi over 4 minus cosine 4 pi or cosine 0 over 4. May result. Ilan yung cosine 4 pi? Wait lang, may nakalimutan ko pala kasi wala pa pala. Ito na lang yung work na galing sa part dito. Integral ng dt equal to p. Evaluated from 0 to 2 pi. Ito ay 0, tama? So, ang cosine 4p ay 1. Divided by 4, cosine 0 ay 1. Ganun din. So, ito ay 0. And ito, evaluated from 0 to 2 pi, the answer is 2 pi. 2 pi minus 0.
Meron pa kasi.
So, yung pinag-iwalay ko na lang.
I-apply ko ulit.
Itong part na to, ay ito. And itong last part na to, ay gets. Ayan. So, ibig sabihin, merong non-zero term. The field natin is non-restoring. And
1/4.
non-conservative.
That's 4 over 4.
Picture. X. Oh. Yan. So, recall lang muna natin, ang ibig sabihin ng line integral ay finding work. Finding work done from point A to point B.
1 minus
And
1.
si line integral can be evaluated kahit yung surface natin ay open and closed. So, and the line integral can also be written as line integral. Hindi na lang natin sinulat yung C kasi maharap pa siya sa bounds. Now, next example. So, evaluate
Chip mode, ano yun? Chip mode, ano?
Shift mo.
Ano?
Try mo, shift mo. Dapat naka-rejects or
Ano? Radiant.
Here we are. So next, evaluate the closed contour integral of y dx plus z dy plus x dc, in which the contour is line from 2, 0, 0 to 3, 4, 5. Paano yan? So, given dito yung mga value ng x, y, z, which is t plus 2, y equals 4t and z is equal to 5t. And simplify natin. The closed tutor integral, ang y natin is equivalent